Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign out of Google. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to be doing is simply going to go ahead first, open up your browser where you will be able to access your Google, right? So for me, I have gone to the search section and searched something to create a tab, and now you can see the Google profile is over there on the top right corner. So what you're going to do is simply go ahead, tap on it. When you do that, you are supposed to find out the logout option at the bottom for the Androids, and if you do not if you do not see the option, you're going to tap on this little drop down icon if you have multiple accounts, and then you tap on this option of sign out of all accounts. When you tap on that, you will be able to sign out of all accounts that you're logged in with or initially have accessed on your Google account, and that is basically it. So when you're going to log in, again, open up your Google or your browser and get logged in or signed in with your Google account likewise over there. And that's basically how you will be able to do so. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.